Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. As you can see, today's trading session we have recovered rather nicely from last week's losses. We're currently trading in this inverted head and shoulders pattern, okay? So we're currently in that right shoulder, and as you can see, we're now pressing above the 50-day EMA, trading just below the 13,000 level. Now the 13,000 level, due to the fact it being such a large psychological number, it's very important that we trade back above it, and then we can look for 13,000 being a supportive area. And of course, the 50-day EMA typically acts as a supportive area as well. It looks to me that we're hogging around this 50-day EMA, okay? So we did try and break down lower, but the ball stepped back in and pushed us back above 13,000, and now it's just been giving and taking above and below the 50-day EMA, sorry, around that 13,000 area. And it looks to me that we're kind of creating a platform, which is, if you look for the medium to long term picture, that is rather, that is a rather bullish sign. So I think eventually we do rally here, but I think, it's just a tug and pull game with the 10-year yields. When they're up over 5% during, a specific trading session, you see the Nasdaq 100 under pressure, and then when the 10-year yields become overbought and that price kind of stabilizes, we see the Nasdaq 100 rally. So I think here we're just killing some time for over the next couple of weeks until we do see some more upside movement in the Nasdaq 100. Those who've been watching my videos for some time now, you'll know that I am very bullish. I know it can be frustrating waiting for the Nasdaq 100 to recover. It's all about having patience at this point, okay? With regards to day trading, it's very difficult to predict where the market's going to be tomorrow. But what I do know, the medium to long term, is that this market will recover. We will be trading above 14,000. You have some of the biggest stocks out there which have fallen 20 to 30% off their all-time highs, and for no real fundamental reason directly associated with that company. It's just because of the 10-year yields and interest rates. But the Fed has come out and repeatedly told us that we're not even thinking of hiking interest rates. And if that is true, then I would expect a very fast rebound here, okay? The 10-year yields are currently trading at 1.68. I read a very good article the other day by one of the top hedge funds saying that they don't see interest rates being a real issue for the future cash flows for these companies until they're up at 3.5%. So that just shows you, what a over exaggeration this has been with regards to the pullback that's occurred in tech. So we know we are approaching the top of this inverted head and shoulders pattern. So if we can get that daily close above 13,200, if I just circle my chart, which would indicate a move roughly around here, that would be very bullish, and we would likely see a massive breakout towards the all-time highs up at 14,000. So I am bullish here. No, I have no interest in selling. 13,000 is where I want to have a daily close, and then eventually we go to 13,200, and then eventually a move up towards 14,000.